How's it going, my photo booth family? Today's video we are going to go over how we make our photo booth templates in Lumabooth. Lumabooth is currently our favorite software that we use for all of our rentals, and it's what we suggest you guys start using if you're just getting started. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start screen recording. My partner in crime, Monse, is going to be giving you guys this tutorial. She makes all of our templates. So without further ado, let's get the video started.
Hi, Monse here. I am going to walk you through how I designed templates on Lumabooth. So first things first, we have a template where the customer answers a bunch of questions. For example, like what they want on the template, any colors, any themes. Also, we also ask them if they have an invitation so we can go based on that design. So in this case, she did have an invitation to share with us, and this is it. As you can see, it is light pink, flowers. It seems like a silhouette of a girl with a big dress. So here she says she wants light pink and white images of flowers in different shades of pink with a few green petals. So first thing I do is I go to a new tab and try to match the color or the background that I'm gonna use for the template. So in this case, I'm gonna put light pink wallpaper. This seems like it's too light, but it is what she told us, light pink. Let's go to the images, and let's do this background. Looks like this one looks pretty spot on, so I'm gonna do that. And then I'm also going to find flowers PNG. That way I think, oh, like these look pretty cute, but the way I know that it's not transparent in the background is when I can see that it has a little transparent background in the back of the flowers. So when I see it's white and then it turns like that transparent background, that's when I know it's in fact transparent. Like this one, as you can see, it was white when I clicked it and then it became transparent. This one seems pretty spot on to the flowers she had. Maybe no. Let's go back to this and then go up here. And she said she wants different kinds of flower colors. It seems like it doesn't have to be a certain color. But yeah, so I'm gonna go with these designs. Sometimes it takes a little while to load, but when it does turn transparent in the back, that means it is in fact a PNG. And if you do have a hard time looking or finding any PNG, if you do have Photoshop, it's a pretty easy process to make the photo transparent, but it takes more work, so I tend to just do this most of the time. Yeah, I think I have a few photos. No, I can't remember if this one is transparent or if I clicked on it white, but we'll give it a try. And then from here, I go to the photos and I select this one and these three, and I add it to save to files, because whenever we do our booth, whenever we try to get images, it never works. So we have to do that. I try to do one of the most recent ones because it has all our settings, and then I just put copy event. And since this was a I believe it was a Sweet 16. I'm going to put Sweet 16. And then let me take a look at the invitation, and then I'll put Gracie. Sweet 16 Gracie. Or Gracie Sweet 16. That way it's easier for us to find it. And then we customize the settings. I try to customize it by the design. So as you can see here, the images didn't save. So I am going to go back again, select these images, and add it to files again. Because for some reason, there you go. There you go. And then she says she wanted white. We normally tend to keep this pretty consistent. Press experience to start photo booth. We used to add like the date and also like happy sweet 16 or whatever, but we find it more easier for people to understand the next steps. From here I delete that, delete these borders, I'll delete these as well. I always check to see if they are going to have our backdrop or their own backdrop. We tend to use vertical when they use our backdrop and horizontal images when they have their own. From here, we will add the image. So I'm gonna add this color image, send to back, right? And then if I want, I'm going to make this a little bit bigger, duplicate those, see if it fits, right? It seems a bit too big, so I'm going to delete these again so we can make sure they are consistent. Alright, and then we'll fix that, and then we'll also fix like which photo it is, so 2 and 3. And then from here we'll add like the flowers. So as you can see, this flower was indeed a PNG. I like to add them in the corners. I think it looks really pretty. The corners like that, and then of course we send it to back so it doesn't cover anyone's faces. And then we can also see if maybe this one looks nice, which it does. So I'm thinking we can add it to this image here too, and we can add it to the back so the first one pops out a little bit more. Alright, and then from here we check what they wanted on the template, which was just happy sweet 16, it seems like. And since they wanted white, we'll add white. We'll add the lettering in white. We'll delete this one. And it doesn't seem like they wanted the date, so I'll delete that. I'll duplicate this so we have the same font and color. So sweet 16, happy sweet 16. Let's make sure these are all aligned, and it seems like we are pretty set now. It looks good to me. You can always add more flowers, or if the client wants to add anything else, of course we'll go ahead and add that. From here we test it out. So they got photo, GIF, boomerang, and video. The settings, like I said, we pre-program these, and then that's why I tend to do the copy and customize. Filters, we select a few here. If they want to use digital props, and then okay. We're not gonna print these out, so let me just put launch, and then
get ready.
And then, yep. Let's just take a few photos.
Okay, smile.
Of course, it's supposed to be facing me.
Say
but
cheese.
yes, I am a mess right now, so. Right. And then from here, we're just walking through the experience that the customer is going to have.
Ooh, looking good. Share your photos.
And there you go. You could also add little, props. Click next. We always try to add our phone number and test it out. But that's all. That is how I do templates. Thanks all.
That's going to wrap it up for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I am going to leave in the description a link to buy your own DIY photo booth. This is the cheapest way to get your photo booth shell. It's all on Amazon. And again, guys, I'll leave everything in the description, along with some other things that you can buy to get your business started. All right, guys, see you in the next one.